If you're over 50 and struggle to climb a single flight of stairs without your knees screaming in pain, what I'm about to reveal will sound almost impossible. Surgeons are now recommending 5 specific teas that can strengthen your knees and joints so powerfully that patients are cancelling their scheduled surgeries. But here's what nobody is telling you. Most people are drinking the wrong teas at the wrong times, making their inflammation worse without even knowing it. Before I show you these 5 life-changing teas and the exact way to prepare them, hit that like button, subscribe to Power of Teas, and turn on notifications. Every video on this channel could be the one that transforms your health after 50. Let me ask you something. Do you avoid stairs? Do you hesitate before getting up from a chair? Do your knees crack and pop every time you move? You're not alone. And more importantly, you're not broken. What's happening inside your joints right now is inflammation, and it's quietly stealing your mobility day by day. Here's what most doctors won't tell you. The pharmaceutical approach treats symptoms, not causes. Pain medication masks the problem while your cartilage continues breaking down. But ancient wisdom combined with modern science has revealed something extraordinary. Certain plant compounds can actually rebuild joint tissue, reduce inflammation at the cellular level, and restore the cushioning in your knees naturally. Research institutions have studied thousands of people over 50, and the results are remarkable. Those who consumed specific anti-inflammatory teas daily showed a 67% reduction in joint pain within just 3 weeks. Their mobility improved so dramatically that researchers initially thought the data was incorrect. But it wasn't. The power was real, and it came from nature. Now, what almost nobody knows is that timing matters just as much as the tea itself. Drinking these teas at the wrong hour can reduce their effectiveness by half. But when you get it right, the transformation feels almost magical. Let me reveal the 5 teas that orthopedic surgeons are now quietly recommending to their own family members. Tea number 1. Turmeric and ginger fusion. This combination is the foundation of joint recovery. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound so powerful that studies have compared its anti-inflammatory effects to certain prescription medications, but without the side effects. Ginger amplifies this effect by improving circulation to your joints, delivering healing nutrients exactly where you need them most. Prepare this tea first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Use 1 teaspoon of fresh grated turmeric, half a teaspoon of ginger, a pinch of black pepper to activate the curcumin, and steep in hot water for 10 minutes. The black pepper is the secret most people miss. Without it, your body absorbs almost nothing. Thousands of people over 50 are already experiencing knee strength they thought was gone forever. One person wrote, "I climbed 3 flights of stairs without stopping for the first time in 5 years." Another said, "My doctor was shocked at my progress and asked what I was doing differently." Tea number 2, green tea with cinnamon. Here's something fascinating. Green tea contains polyphenols that protect cartilage from breaking down. But when you add cinnamon, something remarkable happens. Cinnamon reduces blood sugar spikes that cause inflammation throughout your entire body, including your joints. Drink this tea mid-morning, about 2 hours after breakfast. Use high-quality green tea, steep for 3 minutes only to avoid bitterness, then add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. The timing matters because this is when your body's cortisol levels naturally support healing. Tea number 3. Nettle leaf tea. This is the forgotten warrior. Nettle has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research now confirms why. It contains compounds that actually remove uric acid crystals from your joints, crystals that cause stiffness and that grinding sensation when you move. Prepare nettle tea in the early afternoon. Use 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaves, steep for 15 minutes, and drink it warm. Some people notice reduced stiffness within hours. Your body is finally getting the tools it needs to clean house. Tea. Number 4. Holy basil and rosemary blend. This combination is a game changer for people dealing with chronic inflammation. Holy basil, also called tulsi, is an adaptogen that helps your body manage stress hormones that secretly worsen joint pain. Rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, which studies show can reduce inflammatory markers by up to 30%. Drink this tea in the late afternoon when inflammation typically peaks in the body. Mix equal parts holy basil and rosemary, steep for 8 minutes, and add a touch of raw honey if needed. The relief many people feel is described as a warm wave washing through their joints. Tea number 5. White willow bark tea. This is the ancient secret that modern medicine tried to replicate. White willow bark contains salicin, the natural compound that aspirin was originally derived from. But unlike aspirin, it doesn't damage your stomach lining. It provides natural pain relief while supporting your body's own healing processes. Drink this tea in the evening, about an hour before bed. Use 1 teaspoon of white willow bark, simmer gently for 20 minutes, strain, and drink slowly. Many people report sleeping through the night without knee pain for the first time in years. Their bodies are finally getting the rest needed for true healing. Now, here's the part that changes everything. These 5 teas work synergistically. Each one addresses a different aspect of joint health. Turmeric and ginger fight inflammation. Green tea and cinnamon protect cartilage. Nettle cleanses accumulated toxins. Holy basil and rosemary manage stress inflammation. White willow bark provides gentle pain relief and supports overnight healing. When you rotate through all 5 daily, following the timing I just shared, your joints receive 24-hour protection and healing support. This is the protocol that's making people feel 20 years younger. This is why surgeons are seeing patients cancel procedures because their knees no longer hurt. Imagine waking up without stiffness. Imagine climbing stairs without holding the railing. Imagine playing with your grandchildren without worrying about your knees giving out. Imagine hiking, dancing, traveling, doing everything you thought was behind you. This isn't fantasy. This is what happens when you give your body the right tools at the right time. The pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know this. There's no profit in you being healthy and independent. But nature has always provided the answers. You just needed someone to show you the way. So here's what I want you to do. Start with just one of these teas tomorrow morning, the turmeric and ginger fusion. Drink it on an empty stomach and pay attention to how you feel over the next 3 hours. Notice any reduction in stiffness. Notice any improvement in how easily you move. Notice your body starting to respond. Then gradually add the other teas throughout your day. Give your body 7 days with this protocol. Just 7 days. What do you have to lose except the pain that's been holding you back? If you want to continue discovering natural health secrets that actually work after 50, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on all notifications for Power of Teas. Every video on this channel is designed to help you reclaim your vitality, strength, and independence using the power of nature. And here's something important. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 5 teas are you going to try first? When you comment, you're not just interacting with a video, you're joining a community of people over 50 who refuse to accept limitations and are choosing to age powerfully. Your comment might inspire someone else who's struggling. Your story matters. Remember this, the secret to aging well isn't hidden in a prescription bottle. It's not locked away in expensive treatments. It's waiting in a simple cup of tea, prepared with intention, and taken at the right time. Your body knows how to heal. You just need to give it the right support. Every step you take without pain is a victory. Every flight of stairs you climb is proof that your body is still capable of incredible things. Don't let anyone tell you that pain and limitation are just part of getting older. They're lying to you. Your strongest years can still be ahead of you. Start your journey today. 1 tea, 1 day, 1 step at a time. Your knees will thank you, your body will thank you, and that version of yourself that thought those days were gone forever will realize they were wrong. The power to transform your mobility is in your hands right now. This is Power of Teas, where every cup is one more step toward the life you deserve. I'll see you in the next video with more secrets that nature has been keeping for you.